Hi, my name is Tovah Fenske, and today we're going to do one yoga posture that's really fantastic for stress relief as part of the April stress relief campaign through Health Promotions. So the one posture that we're going to focus on today, and often people don't think of it as a posture, they just think of it like the relaxing end part of the yoga class, but it's savasana or corpse pose. And this really arguably could be one of the most important postures in yoga, and oftentimes people decide to skip it, or if they're practicing at home, they never get into this posture. So I'm going to get you to get into any comfortable lying position. Traditionally, this is done on your back, but please do feel free to go on your side or your stomach. Whatever's most comfortable for you, and if you like to put a cushion under your head, props underneath your knees, whatever's going to work for you to get you more comfortable. And if it's a little bit chilly where you are, maybe tossing a blanket or a sweater over top of you because you want to be able to stay warm. If you do have an eye pillow or a towel or again a sweater, something just to put over your eyes, it can do a couple of things. It helps to make it a little bit darker, which can be more relaxing for your body. But in particular with the eye pillow, the little bit of pressure from the weight of the eye pillow can help encourage your body to relax a little bit more deeply. So if you don't have one of these, they're pretty inexpensive, and that would be a great new prop for you to pick up for yourself. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. You're going to lie down. I'm going to choose to lie on my back. I have my eye pillow. I'm going to place it on my eyes. And then I'm just going to let myself get really comfortable here. So taking a moment to get yourself comfortable. And then I'm actually going to play my crystal singing bowls for you for the next 5 minutes so that you can relax to that. If you've never experienced the bowls before, they're pretty interesting. So they make a vibrational sound. It's hard to describe what the sound sounds like, but you'll hear it once we get started. The different sizes of bowls and the different pitch make a bit of a different sound. So I've selected 3 bowls today that we're going to listen to, and the vibrations are said to be very healing. So that's what we're going to work on. So hopefully everybody's lying down, everybody's comfortable. I'm just getting comfortable here. All right, close your eyes. Let yourself relax, and I'll see you in about 5 minutes. beginning to draw yourself away from savasana. Start to make some small movements with your fingers and with your toes. Just taking your time, not rushing to move out of relaxation. When you feel ready, bend in your knees and let yourself roll over to one side. And then coming back to a comfortable seated or kneeling position. So I do hope that you enjoyed today's short relaxation session. Do know that you could go into corpse pose and stay there for an extended period of time, but really it's about breathing deeply and starting to quiet your mind. And if you find that your mind is not so quiet, trying to find one thing that you can focus on often can be helpful, and just start with short periods like 5 minutes and then slowly grow over time so that you can stay longer without your mind getting agitated or stressed. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Namaste.